I chose UNSW Law for a number of reasons. First of all, I finally found a supervisor that I thought I could work with for 3 or 4 years. So that was very important. Secondly, it was one of the group of 8 universities and I wanted to get a PhD from a group of 8 university. Thirdly, it has a fantastic reputation. And finally, one of the things that was important was the facilities here and the support that we have as PhD students. My PhD research is about international trade, and what I'm looking at is the relationship between government and industry when it comes to trade disputes. And I'm particularly looking at Australia and comparing what we do in Australia to what the United States does. In the United States, they call it a public-private partnership. I'm not sure we have that same level of relationship in Australia, so that's what I'm looking at. The facilities we get here at UNSW Law are first class. Each of us gets our own desk with a computer, we have access for our books, we have access to computers. The important thing is too, we're treated like one of the staff, so academic staff, so that we get to go to all of the staff seminars. It's very collegiate, and my own experience is the staff here are only too happy to assist you if you have questions. They'll invite you in to their offices and explain to answer your questions, so it's really, really important. I have absolutely no problems about the quality of the staff and the teaching we get here. I've done I've elected to do a number of courses. I don't have to, but I elected to do them, and some of the people were outstanding. I just completed one recently on advanced WTO law, and they brought in a professor who happens to be a WTO chair from Mexico, who was just extraordinarily good. I think the highlights for me are the interaction with the staff and their preparedness to help. I think that's important. And the other thing is the collegiate way in which the HCR students operate and how we can interact not only with ourselves but also with the staff. Advice I give to an incoming PhD student would be listen to your supervisors. It's very, very important. Become involved in the workings of the faculty, go to the staff seminars, talk to people, introduce yourself to people and understand where their areas of expertise are, because it really can help.